Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to run through how to buy the Sphere tokens.
Oh, it's literally 5 p.m. Oh, okay. Cylum and Shehere. We're gonna be talking about those today and basically what they are and why you should buy these tokens and why you shouldn't. Now, I'm not buying either of these tokens because they're very cheap and it's a high risk. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna be showing you is Google Trends, which is basically you could see what people are searching up. You could see just all the recent search histories and spikes and kind of see what is gonna be the next trend in in the world. So if we looked here, I have in the past 7 days in United States. Now as you can see, I have Cylum in the blue, which is literally so low compared to Shehere in the red. Now normally people are searching up for the finance, but some people might be searching up the shape for some reason. But as you can see, there is a spike about to happen. So by the time you guys are watching this video, this is a spike about to happen, and it might actually just keep going up and it might rise to an all-time high for itself.
Heavens no, I'm high, bucko.
So we're on CoinMarketCap, which is literally where you buy all these little tokens. That's where you would buy, I don't know, Monkey Coin. So as you can see, it actually just went down and it was at a green or a high, as you would say, for the normal price in the past day. But if we look at the past 7 days, we could see that it literally spiked up, and that's why there's so much kind of drama going around it. And then we go to month, you can see that it actually went all the way down and it spiked back up. So there is a chance that it might reach all the way up here, which means that you would be almost doubling, even maybe tripling your money. And I can show you the fan base on Reddit as well. So they actually have groups for Cylum. So if you search up Cylum finance, there is groups. Now there's also groups for Shehere finance, which have way more members. Now let's do some research on the Shehere website and how to buy that token as well. As you can see, they actually have their own token right here, and it is backed up by Obsidian, which is a very secure and kind of great company for when you are wanting to buy a token. It kind of gives it that, you're secure. Now what I do like is that they know that this is a token that you just buy in, wait for it to go up and sell out. So people are just kind of selling and dropping it, and then buying in and selling and dropping it, which could be good in some cases if you are day trading and trying to make a quick buck, but also not good if you're trying to look in the long term. They have this whole entire little area where you can buy the token, view the token, and all that. Now there's literally a button that says buy Shehere, and then you have to connect wallet. What I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna be putting $50 in my little wallet, and I'm gonna be seeing if I will make or lose money in 30 minutes. So guys, a really cool feature I just found out on Shehere Finance is that they actually have this thing called a calculator. Now this is how much they estimate, or how much money they estimate you're gonna be making in a certain amount of days. So as you can see, I bought 1,000 Shehere, and that is literally $50 worth of Shehere, like I said. Now it will be going up and down, but if you look here, it says that I should be getting a return of $57 in 7 days. Now let's go to 4 weeks. So 30, it says I should be making $33 just from $50. Now we can go all the way up to 4 months, and it thinks that I would be making $481 just from my $50. Now let's say I invest more money, I invest maybe $100. As you can see, I would be making almost $1,000 just from investing $100. Now, can they confirm that I'll be making this money? No, but this is their estimated return. Now this probably shows that it is most likely true, and also they keep on adding new things to Shehere. Unlike Cylum, which is kind of literally just a token, there is really no use to Cylum. So now let's check out the games on Shehere and let's see how cool they are. What can you do in these games, and can you make a bunch of money from these games? So also what I noticed is that they say that they burn 10% of the profit, which I honestly don't get. It probably just goes to the person, and then 1% goes to charity, and then the rest is 89% distribution. So basically your odds change with how much Shehere you enter. So let's say I entered literally 100,000 Shehere. My chances in winning are 1 in 50. Now the buy tax and sell tax, I did not see that, but that is insane. 13%, 20%. This just shows how much money you will be making, or how much money they think you will be making. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this kind of helped you.